So right now we are going to see this question, valid palindrome. So a phrase is a palindrome if after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase and removing all alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Okay. Let's see this thing. This is basically what I am going to say, that this is a palindrome or not. Palindrome means if you read from left to right, the same thing should be read from right to left. It will be mar. Is it a palindrome? Is it a palindrome? No. It's not giving me the same result. Is it? No. Mom. I read mom from left to right. If I read mom from opposite, from right to left, it will be MOM. Is it a palindrome? Yes. Yes. So our question is not saying us to find this, that whether mom is a palindrome or not, whether it is a valid palindrome or not. So now let's see. So we are given a string as return true if it is a palindrome or false. Okay. We are going to consider this example and then let's see what is the answer. Okay. Just 1 minute. Yeah. Okay, just don't. We'll just remove this thing, okay? And our answer should come as this. We'll consider this example as this is a better example to understand. And then we'll move forward to the next example. Okay. Cool. So, I don't know why this is not. I'm not able to delete this. Yeah, done. Chalo. This will be our answer. Now, coming to this. Okay. Things we have to consider is that all the uppercase should be into lowercase and we have to remove all the alpha. We have to remove all non-alphanumeric characters. Okay. We have to traverse ulta. ठीक है. A आ गया. Okay. Then comes M. Then comes A. Then comes N. Then comes A. Going fine. Okay. Now see P. P, it's uppercase. We have to convert to lowercase. This is colon. We have to do what? Remove it. Remove it. Then C comes L. Then comes A. Then comes N. Then comes a A. Then comes a C. Space. Remove it. Remove it. A. Comma. Comma. Remove it. Then we come to this word plan. Ulta karo. NALP. Then comes a space. Remove it. We catch the word A. Then comes a comma. Remove it. Then it will be NAM. Again a space. Remove it. Then this letter, make it small. Do you see A? Do you see man? Do you see A? Do you see plan? Do you see again a A? Do you see canal? And now do you see Panama? Done. This is a valid palindrome and we have to return true. Okay, we have to return true. Coming to the second example. What is that? Race a car. False. Okay, let's see. We'll write it here only. This is race. This is a. This is car. Each and everything is already small. We don't have to convert anything to caps lock. Now see. We will start writing R A, that is C, RAC, done this side, space, remove it, it will come as A, ठीक है, then E, then comes C, ठीक है, then comes your C, then comes your A, then comes your R. Guys, is it the same? Is it the same? No. See, यहाँ पे it became different. ठीक है, यहाँ पे it became different. So this is false. What is my mind saying me? That is this a simple question? Yes. So I did code it before, but I'll just delete each and everything and again start it. Okay. Now we will start coding it and now see if s dot length. Now if it is equal to 1, we will return true. What does it mean? Supposingly, see, supposingly you have one character, okay? You just have one character. So will it be a palindrome or not? Okay, will it be a palindrome or not? Supposingly you are having this A. Okay, this is only one character. Is it a palindrome? Yes. Suppose you have a comma. Is it a palindrome? Yes. Read this side. Read that side. Palindrome. Okay. Now we will take a string builder. String builder SB is equal to new string builder. Initially empty. Okay. Chalo. For loop we will be running from int I is equal to 0 to the string length and then I plus plus incrementing. Then we will read all the letters. Okay. Sorry. It will be s dot caret as we have to read all the characters. Okay. Now, if your character is small beforehand only, then we will just keep it as it is and append it. Okay. Now we are checking if it is small or not. So now we will just append it. Okay. Else if our character is now greater than A, okay, greater than A, capital A, and then now if our Z till Z, okay, till Z. So now we have to convert it. So we have to convert into character and then character minus capital A plus small a. I didn't understand this step. What is going on? Okay, let me make you understand. So basically, supposingly you have to convert a capital character. See, small, I guess capital A, it starts from 65. Okay. Small a starts from 97. Suppose I have a character C. So what we are doing? C minus 65 plus 97. What is the value of capital C? 67. Okay. 67 minus 65 plus 97. Do it. Gives me 99. 99 is what? It's C. So we got small c converted easily. Okay. Now what do we need to do? SB dot append ch. Okay, cool. We have checked these two. Now we have to check for the numbers also. We are considering if we have any number. Okay, we might have any number. So we need to append that also. So 0 to 9. What we will do? SB dot append ch. Okay, done. Now, how to check palindrome? We converted each and everything into small and big. Okay, we converted each and everything into small and big. Means each and everything into lowercase. Okay, we changed from bigger to smaller, checked all the characters, and then suppose I am having this, for example, I am having radar. Okay, I am having radar. Okay, this is a palindrome, but how will you check it? The easiest thing is two pointer. Again, we will take a end. We will take a start. ठीक है. S and S matching. Move forward. Next, it will come here. It will be S plus plus and minus minus. So that it comes here. E matching matching. Then both meet at the same point. Okay. So now both meet at the same point. Done. True. Okay, true. So like this, we will take a two-pointer approach and code it for palindrome. Start as 0, intend as your SB dot length minus 1. Now we will take a while loop. Sorry, I made it capital. Start less than end. Now we will take out the character. So int is char. Okay. Then sb dot char at start. Okay, so from start we are taking. Similarly, from end character also we will be taking out. We got it from end also. Now if s of s-char, if s-char, if it is not equal to your end character, what will we do? Return false. Return false. Okay. False. Then s-char plus start. Start plus plus and minus minus. Okay. And then we'll just after this return true, because if they are like not like in any case it will come here. Okay, at any case it will come here once, so it will return true. And if it is not equal to start is not equal to end, directly false. If equal, return true. And yeah, let's see if our code runs or not. We have a compile error. Okay, sorry, we didn't put this one. Yeah. So now we'll just submit the code. So basically, this is a simple approach where you take a string builder and then you check for all the characters, whether it is a smaller one, uppercase, lowercase, and numbers, and then you take a two-pointer approach to see whether it's palindrome or not. This is a simple approach, and I will be uploading the code on GitHub. You can check from there. Thank you.